Hi everyone, Joe here. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for everybody that stopped by and thanks for all you new visitors too. Please subscribe and put on your notification bell so you don't miss anything that I'm doing. Today I'm going to finish up taking a tour of the family room and kitchen, which I've entitled On a Snowy Afternoon. I showed you the different parts of it, but I didn't show it to you all as a whole. So today, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what I did in this room. And here we are at the sofa table right here, and I kept it really simple. You can say I have this platter, the winter wishes of joy and love, and a few snow people here, and a few pine cones. And I kept it simple because I didn't want it to overpower anything else in the room. You can see on the second shelf, again, I have that snow theme going on, as well as down on the third shelf. Now, if you notice, I really didn't put any ornaments on here, and I didn't put any greenery on here, because right next to this tree, right next to this table, is this tree. And I didn't want to distract from this tree because I think it's absolutely beautiful with the silvers and the whites and then the pops of the Caribbean blues. It's a very icy looking tree. I have a lot of dangling icicles on it, and the ficus leaves that I painted white and then I glittered in addition to that. And I just think it has a really serene, beautiful, snowy kind of a look. Here's another view of that tree from a little further back. All right, so on this wall, what I did was I took down my two burgundy shutters that I had from the fall, and I got these two mirrors from Walmart, the door mirrors, and I hung them on the wall here. And again, I feel like it gives that icy reflection that I was looking for in this room. And also on this wall, I have a painting that I painted. And what I did was I went online and I looked for a snowy scene, one that I would be capable of reproducing. So I saw it, I took a screenshot of it, and then I got the colors that I wanted for this picture. So this will stay up not only through Christmas, but also through the winter. And it's really simple. Don't be afraid to do something like this. I took an old picture we had that we really weren't using anymore, and I painted the canvas white. I started with the sky. You can see the grays and then the blues with the clouds and so on, and the snowy pathway through the bottom of the picture. And I did that all with a really large painter's brush. I didn't use little brushes, like a painter's brush. And then I drew in these trees with a pencil, and then with a thin brush, I just made those trees. So this is something that you can do. Don't be afraid to do it. You all are capable of something like this, and I just think it adds to the total picture that I wanted for this room. If you notice on the couch, we have these great pillow covers, which we got a few years back in a store called Shoppers World, and they're really thick. They're like brocade material, and they're really, really nice quality. And this blanket right here with the snowman was a gift from someone. So I use that when I'm laying on that couch at night watching TV. Coffee table kept really simple. A runner, again, with the same motif on it. It came from that same store. I put a wreath around the bottom of this large glass here, and I filled it with the silver and the blue ornaments, and I just gives it a really icy kind of a look. It's two candles flanking each side. Now, you know, the star of this room obviously is down that end right there. So I really didn't want to overpower the rest of the room, because that is just so dramatic that I don't think anything else could overstage it. But again, there's a lot going on in the room with the silver tree down at this end right here. And then we have, all the little accessories here and there. And right over there in the other room, it's off. But there's the Victorian tree over there. So there's a lot going on. But I think that is absolutely a star of this room. And Again, if you saw that video, how I did this, and we really enjoy looking at this old-fashioned village. These trees that I did right here, I kept them simple: pine cones, icy picks, and crystals, and things like that, anything that would mimic the ice. And then around the windows, I did this garland, again with the silver and the blue ornaments and the ribbon. And on the windows, I used that snow in a can to create that window snowy pane. And then I hung the snowflakes from there as well. And then the mantle, again, I have a cascading garland here with a lot of the silvers in it. Minus the blue here. I didn't want any blue in this piece right here because I want that to be a highlight. I don't want that to be the dominant feature. And then the snowflakes hanging in front of the fireplace. When the fireplace is on, the heat makes them move and it looks like they're actually twinkling down. As I come into the kitchen, we have a snowman greeting us with some snowy branches. And then up there, look, well, be careful, he's going to throw a snowball at you. He's up there hiding, getting ready to throw them. And then on the pendants right here, we have the snowmen and some ornaments just to pick up that silver and blue. And even on the chandelier, if you notice, I hung the blue ornaments under each one of the candles. In the windows, simple wreath, and up above, let me put the lights on. I forgot to put the lights on here. Okay, we can see up here, I have the curtains that match those pillows. Again, that same brocade fabric with the snowman, the large snowflakes, and the snowmen. I have some snowman shovels up there, some snowman ornaments, and more snow people. This guy turned around. I'm gonna have to fix that after I finish this video. Okay, so you can see there is some pieces there and some more right there. And I did that quick little wall hanging on the wall over here. Very simple. I'm keeping it simple again, but coordinated with the family room since it's all open to one another. The glass cabinets over the sink, again, just some spode in there, the Christmas tree pattern with the mugs. And on the stove mantle, the continuation of the snow people up there. I have some garland. I have there is lights in there, but they're battery timed, and I didn't want to go up there and turn them on and ruin the timer. So that's up above the stove. Let me increase that so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so there is the kitchen, and there is my take on a snowy afternoon. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll stick around for my next one coming up. I'm going to be showing you the big tree in the foyer all finished up. So I hope you are doing well. Take care. Drop me a line. Send me a comment. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you really soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.